What if I told you one earnings call just signaled the biggest shift in cybersecurity since the invention of the firewall? CrowdStrike just dropped its Q1 fiscal year 2027 results, and the numbers, and the story behind them, are unlike anything we've seen from this company before. Whether you're an investor, a tech enthusiast, or just someone paying attention to where AI is heading, you need to hear this. Let's count down the top 10 takeaways, starting with number 10. Coming in at number 10, CrowdStrike posted record Q1 net new ARR of $256 million, up 32% year-over-year, and beating the high end of their own guidance. That's not a small beat. That's a signal that enterprise demand for security is accelerating hard, and CrowdStrike is capturing it. Ending ARR now stands at $5.51 billion, growing more than 24% year-over-year, and actually speeding up from the prior quarter. Number 9 is all about cash, and it's a jaw-dropper. CrowdStrike generated an all-time record free cash flow of $468 million in a single quarter. That's 34% of revenue. And their free cash flow Rule of 40 score hit 59%, rising for the fourth consecutive quarter. This isn't just a growth story. It's a profitable growth story, and the cash machine is firing on all cylinders. At number 8, total revenue hit $1.39 billion, up 26% year-over-year. What makes this special is that it marks the fourth consecutive quarter of accelerating revenue growth. Most companies at this scale start to slow down. CrowdStrike is doing the opposite, and management made clear they expect this trend to continue. Number 7 is about the commercial engine powering all of this, Falcon Flex. CrowdStrike added over 300 new Flex accounts in the quarter, with that subscription model now approaching $2 billion in ending ARR, up 99% year-over-year. Even more impressive is the Reflex dynamic, where customers are renewing and expanding early. The average Reflex customer is expanding their ARR by 51% above their original Flex contract, and over 130 customers have done it more than once. Customers aren't just staying, they're doubling down. Number 6 is the product that might redefine the company's next decade, AIDR, or AI Detection and Response. ARR for this brand new product surged more than 250% sequentially, and the Q2 pipeline already exceeds $50 million. George Kurtz said plainly that in his entire career, he has never seen adoption happen this fast, and he believes AIDR will ultimately be a larger market than EDR because AI agents vastly outnumber human endpoints. Number 5 spotlights Project QuiltWorks, CrowdStrike's bold industry mobilization effort. After the so-called Mythos inflection point, CrowdStrike launched QuiltWorks to help organizations discover, prioritize, and remediate AI-era vulnerabilities. Within weeks, a coalition of more than 20 major partners joined, including Accenture, IBM, EY, Deloitte, Infosys, Wipro, and even insurers like Liberty Mutual, turning a market moment into a structured commercial opportunity. At number 4, the combination of next-gen CM, cloud security, and identity surpassed $2 billion in ending ARR. Next-gen CM alone crossed $600 million. Identity ARR grew nearly 4x year-over-year, fueled by the explosive need to govern not just human users, but AI agents. CrowdStrike's recently acquired SGNL product is already drawing repeat customers, with one executive saying it reduced identity provisioning from 2 weeks down to 2 minutes. Number 3 is the moment that changed everything, the Mythos inflection point. When Anthropic unveiled its new frontier AI model, CrowdStrike was selected as the exclusive cybersecurity partner from day one, and shortly after, OpenAI chose them as a founding member of their Trusted Access for Cyber program. This wasn't just a business win. It redefined how the market sees cybersecurity, no longer as a cost center or compliance checkbox, but as critical AI infrastructure that every organization deploying AI now requires. Number 2, CrowdStrike raised its full-year net new ARR guidance by more than $52 million, now expecting full-year net new ARR growth to accelerate over fiscal year 2026. That's a 520 basis point increase in year-over-year growth at the midpoint from prior guidance. Record Q2 pipeline, surging module adoption, strong retention rates, and a post-Mythos demand environment all gave management the confidence to make that call. The AI tailwind, as they put it, is real and compounding. And the number 1 takeaway, CrowdStrike announced its very first stock split as a public company, a 4-for-1 forward split effective July 2nd, 2026. This move is designed to make CrowdStrike shares more accessible to everyday investors. But the symbolism matters just as much as the mechanics. A company only splits its stock when it believes the best is yet to come. And based on everything in this earnings call, CrowdStrike clearly does. That's your top 10 from CrowdStrike's Q1 FY 2027 earnings call. If you found this breakdown useful, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss our next deep dive. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Are you bullish on CRWD heading into the second half of the year? I'll see you in the next one.